Okay, so welcome to Fruitbowl. Now, in this video, we're going to be going over exactly how you can create and set up a Facebook pixel on your website so that you can begin to track events that your customers take and figure out when they actually fall off your sales funnel. You might be doing this for your own business, or you could be doing this on behalf of a client's business. Either way, the rules are the same, and we're going to show you how you can do it in this video. Let's get into it. Okay, so to create your Facebook pixel, we're going to head over to Facebook Business Manager. So let's do that now. Now, once we're in Facebook Business Manager, we want to head over to Settings and then head over to Events Manager. So within Events Manager, we're going to click on Connect Data Source and we're going to click on Web. Then we're going to click on Facebook Pixel, as this is what we're creating. Now we can name the pixel, so I'm just going to name mine FB Pixel. And FB stands for Fruitbowl, not Facebook. And you also want to enter your web address, so mine will be www.fruitbowl.io. Continue. And great, it's created our Facebook pixel. Now, there's two options to add it to your website. You can either do it manually with the HTML code they give you, or you can use a partner integration. Now, if you've got an e-commerce store and you're using something like Shopify, a partner integration works much better, as it's literally one line that you're going to enter in your Shopify dashboard, and your pixel should be active. I'm going to show you how you can do that now using a partner integration, and then we'll go over the manual integration. So click Use a Partner, and from here you want to actually choose which partner you're working with. Maybe it's Shopify, maybe it's Webflow, maybe it's Wix, whatever it may be. Click on that one. I'm going to use Shopify for this example. So it's going to give you a few steps to follow, and with Shopify you actually have to go into your online store settings, go to where it says Facebook Pixel, and then just copy in your pixel ID. So my pixel ID is right here, and if I were to add it in, I would copy this number into my Shopify settings and hit save, and your Facebook pixel should be installed. I don't have Shopify, so I won't be doing this, but that's how you would do it if you had Shopify, and it's a one-step solution. This also works for Webflow and Wix and any other of those listed partners you saw a second ago. Now, if you want to install the pixel code manually with HTML, this is how you would do it. You would click Install Code Manually, and they're actually going to give you a bunch of HTML code that you can copy into your website. So if you've actually coded your website yourself, you can do this. I'll show you how to do this. But if you've got a developer that works with you, Facebook actually gives you the option to email the instructions to them so that they can set up your pixel. If you're doing it on your own, this is how you would do it. You would copy your code and paste it in the head section of the HTML content. So I'll show you with my site. If I'm actually going to go into head content, and I've done it before, but I'll show you. So you would paste the code that you just copied into this HTML head content, and then hit save. This will then add the pixel code to your website, and everything should be working. If you don't have this option on your website builder, or if you're actually coding it by hand, the place to add it is between the two, the opening head tag and the closing head tag. You want to paste it there. That's where it's going to work the best, and that's what Facebook recommends. So once you add it here, you'll then be able to see if your pixel is working. The way you can do this is actually by installing a Facebook pixel helper from the Chrome Web Store. That helper is actually made by Facebook, and it lets you see whether there's a pixel installed on that website. So if we go to fruitbowl.io, for example, this is what the icon looks like, and if you click on it, you can see that one pixel was found on Fruitbowl. That means my pixel is installed successfully, and it's actually working. It's also giving me the option to set up events and view analytics. So if I were to set up events like add to carts or purchases, if this was an e-commerce store, for example, I would click on that and it would guide me through that process. We're going to go through that in a later video, so stay tuned for that. But now you should know exactly how to install a Facebook pixel, whether you're using a website builder like Shopify, Webflow, Wix, or if you're just coding it yourself. I hope you found this video useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.